Welcome back to Instabulls, everyone. What an amazing start to the week we had with BKKT in the Instabulls room. Over 150% on that breakout. I want to make sure we do cover exactly which levels we are trying to hold above to make sure we do contain this momentum and what exact indicators will give us confirmation on a continuation here. And all I ask in return is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over BKKT with you guys here on the 5-minute chart. I'm going to show you guys how today played out and what exactly we're looking for here on a continuation. But before I get started, I want to mention that we do alert breakout alerts at the day. We mentioned BKKT halted today at $13.95, jumping all up to $57 going 6 hours, over 300% on that breakout. And last week, if you guys did see DWC on that major breakout, we mentioned them on Thursday in pre-market at $10, jumping all up to $175 in the next day, over 1600% on that breakout. And later on that day, we mentioned PHUN as a sympathy at $1.35, jumping all up to $24 in the next day, over 1800% on that breakout. And we also mentioned MARK halted at $1.65 as another sympathy to DWC, breaking out all the way up to $9 going to today in pre-market, over 700% on that breakout. So if you do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So here, as you guys can see here on BKKT, we had this major breakout. We were halted as we were testing our previous highs that we had this morning, and sure enough, we did get that confirmation and continuation up from that halt. And as you guys can see, we did come back down, and we were testing the 20-moving average here on the 5-minute chart. And if we were watching this, then we could have been watching that we were testing the 20-moving average. And as you guys can see, we did continue on up, and we curled just off of it, had that major breakout, and also did mention that we're looking weak at this point in time. Sure enough, did consolidate from here and respected that 20-moving average and did confirm and alerted the next leg up here and continued on up going 6 hours all the way up to $57 going 6 hours. So one thing I want to mention here with BKKT is that we are breaking into new all-time highs and continuously breaking into all-time highs. So we don't have much data to go off of from the history of this chart. So we are going to be watching these psychological resistances. We did break just over 50, broke up to 56, but are sitting here now at 53.50. So again, it looks like we are trying to hold over 50 going to pre-market tomorrow. If we can hold over 50, then in my opinion, we are going to be looking to see if we can continuously break into new highs. And at that point, I would just set a stop loss, see if it would continue on up. But again, that is a very dangerous play in my opinion. It has been on quite the run. In my opinion, going to pre-market, we are going to be looking to see if we can get an increase in buy pressure here on the MACD. As you guys can see, we had this major breakout and this buy pressure come in, and we had this confirmation as we did continue on up. But as you guys can see here, we do have this decrease in buy pressure. Looking to see if we can increase in buy pressure going to tomorrow. As you guys can see, we did continue on up, but however, we do have our decrease in buy pressure. So notice that we are a little overextended here. So I definitely would be careful here on BKKT. Has been an amazing run in the Instabulls room today. And again, with that said, if you do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert of the day again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, everybody that has been coming over from the Instabulls room and showing me support, I appreciate every one of you guys. As always, much love to every one of you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help us find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.